Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So here's something I didn't expect to matter as much as it did. I used to season my food and wonder why it always tasted a little flat. Not bad, just not hitting the way I wanted. Then I switched to kosher salt. Literally, just changed the salt I was using. And suddenly everything tasted better. Like, immediately. No new recipes, no fancy gear, just different salt. And here's a fun fact. A teaspoon of table salt can actually be almost twice as salty as a teaspoon of diamond crystal kosher salt. So if your food ever goes from almost perfect to whoa, that's salty, that might be why. In an upcoming tutorial, I'm breaking down why kosher salt made such a big difference for me and why it might for you too. Have fun cooking.